What I did is set this to where the black powder in a drop tube, and if I put a bullet on there, would be 10 thousandths over the length minimum. It was 10, 20, whatever. I made sure it was over. Then I put a 60 thousandths thick wad, and then seated the bullet down at the proper depth, which would be given 60, 70 thousandths compression. And I determined the powder. It all comes out to like 62, 63 grains. It varies. I just did it as, because I used 1.5 and 2F. So there was a little bit of difference in the amount. I wrote it all down in there, and I'm going to test it. And I'm going to use this technique and see, basically my experiment on this end is to try to get fouling under control, and with the wad and everything. And I'm also running, I made 2 sets of each, 2 5-round strings of 120 alloy, the same bullet, and 130, a little softer. I'm going to see if there's a difference in the alloy, running them neck and neck. You know, I'm going to run them side by side. So that's my new experiment. And basically I'm trying to get the fouling under control. I really don't want to go to the use of a blow tube. I think that's a pain in the butt to do that while we're shooting. I'm going to try to get the fouling under control where it's reasonable and I can shoot fairly accurate without having to do that. And that's where I'm headed now, further experimentation. I'm getting my tooling back. As you'll see in the other videos, I got some reloading equipment and that, and I'm short on some tooling for the 50-70. But we're going to get back, get experimenting, and come up with a technique that I like, and hopefully it can be helpful to other people.